Good morning from a blustery summer's morning here in Lymington. I'm Tim Carbury from Berthon. I'd like to welcome you on board our walkthrough video of our beautifully world-capable 2008 Oyster 655 SALTA. Here you see SALTA on a beautiful summer's day sailing in the Solent with our very own Ben Cooper, Alan McElroy and Ben Hitchin on board. The current owners of SALTA originally intended to take her on a circumnavigation. However, plans changed and they ended up cruising her around the Med and then entering the Arc Plus rally and taking her to Grenada. They spent a wonderful time in the Caribbean before taking her down to Puerto Rico. From Puerto Rico, she crossed on her own bottom this spring, early summer, and arrived with us here in Lymington in June. SALTA benefits from two extensive refit periods, one in 2023 and one in 2025, both of which were overseen by the owner. She's a fabulous example of this Rob Humphreys design and is built to MCA Category 2. She really does look a picture here in the Solent, under full main and Genoa. This was actually the second attempt at a sea trial for us, and the first day was incredibly breezy, but SALTA still behaved absolutely beautifully. Here she is ashore in Lymington at our customs warehouse. And here we get a great view of below the waterline, where in 2025 she was sanded, had 2 layers of epoxy primer and then 6 layers of copper coat. You can see here her drivetrain. This was completely serviced in 2025. Here you see a lovely angle of this really classic Rob Humphreys oyster design. Really lovely transom setup, allowing easy access in and out of the water. There's also a bathing shed on the transom there. And here we look forward along this really lovely cockpit area. Heading down the port side here, get a brief glimpse of the cockpit which is a wonderfully safe and spacious cockpit. And then coming forward onto the foredeck. This is where the tender is normally stowed. Looking forward here to a CQR anchor and her 110 metres of galvanised chain. The two Reckman furlers you see here were sent to Germany in 2023 and completely overhauled. Here we are looking up at this really lovely Hall spars carbon mast and V-boom. This is supported with rod rigging. All the halyards and sheets on board are Maffioli. There you see her Navtec hydraulic vang, and all the winches on board are Lumar. As you can see here, the canvas works in excellent condition. Lumar electric primary, secondary winches there. And then looking aft to the lazarette here. Up to the pedestal. And in the lazarette here, there is a Coultry dive compressor, which was fitted in 2025. Here at the helm stations, you see the really nice Rainmarine electronics, which were updated in 2023. And then looking forward into this lovely cockpit. Really nice and spacious. Very easy to get around the table on either side. Nice touches there with the drink holders either side of the companionway. And then looking aft here, you get a really good view of the cockpit table, which is fully refrigerated. Let's take a look inside. It is a lovely day, but you immediately see how much natural light is in the main saloon here. Beautiful full beam main saloon. Looking back to the nav station and into the galley here on the port side. Really is a wonderfully spacious saloon. Nice dining room table there. Good storage either side. Bags of natural light through these wonderful windows. As you can see, all the woodwork's in fantastic condition. Varnishing is also in fantastic condition, as are the sole boards. Looking to the galley here, we see the Force 10 electric cooker, which was installed in 2022. Lots of storage, lots of cold storage, really nice twin sink. As you can see, fridges and freezers everywhere. Let's take a look forward. So this is actually port forward. This is a versatile cabin, so this can either be a twin Pullman cabin, and as you can see the lower bunk there extends to give you the option of having it as a double. Really nice functional heads on board. Easy to clean, easy to maintain, very hygienic, lots of light, and a nice large shower cubicle. See, we have access to the other angle of the heads, so it's a sort of a Jack and Jill. You can double up as a day head or an ensuite for that port forward cabin. Starboard side here, we have a really lovely guest double. Again, lots of light, woodwork's in great condition, varnishing's in great condition, and its own ensuite heads here. Good storage here underneath the bunks. And there you see the air conditioning ducts. She has a cruise air reverse cycle air conditioning system on board, which was serviced in 2021. Down to the nav station here. See more of the Rain Marine electronics. Really nice space to navigate from. Very large table. Everything you'd expect to see on a boat like this. Come aft here, this is the starboard side. This is another twin cabin. Really versatile, great cabins for when passage making. Really nice secure berths. Come aft here into the master. Lovely large double bed. Centrally located, giving really good access to either side of the bed. Like the rest of the boat, lovely natural light, lots of storage. You can see here the boat's really in lovely condition. Access there up onto the deck. This is a really nice feature of the 655, as you'll see on so many Oysters. And then into this really very nicely appointed heads. Really properly functional heads on board this boat. And looking across, you've got a little desk there which could be for an office desk or for vanity. On the port side here, we have the engine room. In 2025, the Perkins engine was completely overhauled by Perkins themselves. The domestic batteries on board were fitted with hydro caps in 2021, and the batteries for the starting engine, generator, bow thruster, furlers were also replaced in 2021. She has an Onan generator on board, and the water maker, which can make 100 litres of water an hour, was replaced in 2023. Here we see the air conditioning system. So thank you for coming on board SALTA. We hope you've enjoyed the walkthrough video, and if you'd like more information on the boat, please visit our website. Thank you.